Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an engine air filter. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine off and cool. You'll need a new air filter, which you can find by checking your vehicle's manual, and possibly a screwdriver or a socket wrench. Locate the air filter housing, usually a large black box near the engine. Safety first, so always double-check the engine is cool. Now let's access the old filter. The air filter housing is typically secured with clips or screws. Gently unclip or unscrew these fasteners, being careful not to force anything. Once all fasteners are loose, carefully lift the housing cover. You'll see the old air filter inside. Take a moment to note its exact position and orientation. This will be important for installing the new one correctly. With the housing open, carefully remove the old air filter. It might be quite dirty, so have a rag ready. Before placing the new filter, take a moment to wipe out any leaves, dust, or debris from inside the air filter housing. Now, gently place the new air filter into the housing, ensuring it sits snugly and matches the orientation of the old one. It should fit perfectly without bending. Finally, it's time to close everything up. Carefully lower the air filter housing cover back into place, making sure it aligns properly. Reattach all the clips or screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are securely fastened. A new air filter can significantly improve your engine's breathing, leading to better fuel efficiency and overall performance. It's a simple maintenance task with big benefits for your vehicle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.